How Shiro-Abhyanga is used as a Purvakarma in Panchakarma?
In all Bahya Kriya Kramas, whether we are doing, what all are the possibilities of Bahya Kriya Krama? We have Ushna and Shita, we have Ruksha and Snigdha. These are the major, what you call it as, in terms of Guna. So whenever we are actually doing an Ushna Kriya to a Sharira, it is very important that this Ushnatvam does not bring in any negative impact on the Sharira. So especially when we are doing an Ushna Kriya on the Sharira, Shiras, which is the Kapha Sthana, this Ushnatvam can bring in Kapha Vilayana. That has to be prevented. In that terms, this Shiro-Abhyangam as a precursor to any prayoga in the Sharira adds on to the therapeutic benefit, one thing. Second one is it prevents the possible complications. For example, I have seen cases wherein Patra Potala Sveda etc. are practiced because of XYZ reason in diabetic cases without a talam, and over a period they land up in diabetic retinopathy. Because definitely a diabetic patient, understanding it to be under the Meha Samprapti is contraindicated for Mahasvedas, and even then we are doing a Mahasveda. If they have a knee joint pain or something, we are doing a Mahasveda without protecting our eyes, which is a sthana for Alochaka Pitta. And when Kapha Vilayanam happens in that perspective, there is why Kapha Vilayanam happens? Because of this Ushna Guna, Alochaka Pitta, the Pitta dominance actually results in Kapha Vilayanam, and that gets reflected in any part of the body actually. So, in that terms, to prevent any complications, we have to do Shiro-Abhyanga, as well as to add on to the therapeutic benefit, we have to do Shiro-Abhyanga. So, these two things can be done. And as you all know, as a practice, Shiro-Abhyangam, Talam is actually a modification of Shiro-Abhyangam. So I think the practice has got two parts. One as prevention to possible complications due to Ushna Guna or our manipulation. Second one is as an add-on thing to the therapeutic benefit that we are going to give. So when we are doing a Patra Potala Sveda in the body with an oil and potali, adding on a talam to the head or application of an oil would help in the Vataharatva.